So our next social studies unit, it continues on with citizenship, and this has to do with government and democracy. So all part of civics. So what we're going to start with today is going to be our KWL chart. And if you want to do this with me today, just grab a piece of paper and draw a 3-column chart, just kind of like we do in math. And we're going to put K at the top of one column, and this stands for what we already know about government and democracy. Put a W in the middle. That stands for what we want to learn. And then we're going to keep using this throughout. And you'll have an L, and anything that you learn, you'll add into this side of the chart. So thinking about government and democracy, I first want to think about, well, what do we already know? Well, I know laws kind of have to do with government, right? And we've learned about rules and laws. So I can put that under my K because that's something we already know. We already learned that. I also know just a few weeks ago we had a big election, and that has to do with the president. I'm pretty sure the president also has to do with government and democracy. So I'm also going to write that under K because I kind of know a little bit that the president has to do with democracy and government. And then I want you to add some of your own things in because we all know different things. So think about what else do you know about government or democracy, and go ahead and add that in this column of your chart. When you're ready, come back and we'll do this middle part. So this middle part is what we want to know. Well, gosh, there might be a lot about government and democracy that maybe I don't know yet. Maybe some of it I don't even know that I don't know, but some of it I do. So one thing that I'm wondering about, I remember when we learned about continents and oceans, and I know there's other countries out there. So what do other countries do? Do they do the same thing that we do for government? So that's something that maybe I want to know. Another thing, kind of having to do with the president, I want to know, can I be president? So I want to know more about that. All right, now you think of other things that you want to know about government and democracy and add it into this middle column. And then as you learn stuff throughout these next few lessons, you can add stuff over here, facts that you've learned about government and democracy.